I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to check your transaction history with Rabobank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into the Rabobank app. Open the Rabobank mobile app on your device and enter your login credentials. This will take you to your account overview. Step 2. Access your accounts. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. This is typically found in the main menu or on your home screen. Step 3. Select the desired account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. View transaction history. Scroll down to find the transaction history section. Here, you can see all recent transactions, including deposits and withdrawals. Step 5. Filter transactions if needed. If you want to narrow down your search, use the filter options to select a date range or transaction type. This can help you find specific transactions more easily. Remember, if you don't see your recent transactions, ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Happy banking!